Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. My name is Magali Sanchez Po. I'm a Latina, immigrant, Chicana, Zapatista, single parent, survivor of domestic violence, woman, highly educated, ended up at UCLA. I'm going to tell you my story. When I was 11 years old, my mom brought me here, okay, seeking a better life. I lived everything that you can think of, growing in a very disadvantaged, low-income home in Normanton. I used to go to school just to get my lunch and my breakfast because that was the only way to get in my home. My mom was a single mom, raising 3 of us, and she was working 7 days a week with 12 hours a day, so you can imagine. I grew up thinking that I was going to go to college, and I did everything to be best in school. I would get all these diplomas and awards, but because of my undocumented status, I was not able to go to college. I ended up working in factories, cleaning homes, taking care of children, and doing what is expected from society from us, right? So I got married and to a man that was abusive. So I received my status as a permanent resident because of our Violence Against Women's Act. Once I got that paper, I went straight to get into high school, ended up my already pre-K, by the way, got my GED, went to community college, ended up at UCLA, got a bachelor's degree in Chicano Studies degree, minors, public policy, network work studies, and political science. And after that, I was invited to go to the master's program of public policy from UCLA. And now, came back to my community. I'm an environmental justice activist and social justice activist. Remember, when I say that, that doesn't mean that I'm a scientist trying to prevent all this mess that is happening with scientific methods, toxics, and all of that. My job as an environmental justice activist is to protect you, each one of us, to protect Mother Earth, water, air, everything. Your health matters to me. Your life matters more than any money in the world. That's why I do what I do. And that's the reason why I'm running. Because we're going through a transition right now. We're being slapped right left and center by this administration. And I think that we need to renovate ourselves. Be creative. Read new things. Do not amend things. That's why I'm here. And my campaign is state-based. So, los por delante vamos a ganar.